Myself Tinath Patnaik. I am a teacher in Gopamund Education Trust School, Koraput. So dear students, welcome to our Shiksha Sanjog program, that is online learning video programs. Here we have to communicate different programs like poem or prose sections. Like today we teach one of the wonderful poems written by Chef Alexander, that is the All Things Bright and Beautifuls. You know that students, dear students, you learn today we are alive in the world that is possible only by the gods. आम ये अच्छु आज ये सब संभव क्या द्वारा हो भगवान जो संभव हो from little amount to the bigger things which is located in our surroundings, that is it may be your creatures, birds, animals, river, mountains, all these things available and possible by the gods. You have to mouth to eat, ear to hear, eyes to see, and nose to smells, and tongue to smells. All these things made possible by the gods. So such a beautiful poems were studied and also teach you. So we learn and listen carefully what I am telling you. Okay, proceed. Starts. My dear students, let's listen. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. All things bright and beautiful. पृथ्वी जति सब जिनिस अच्छी सब ब्राइट मीन्स सुंदर चकचक एवं ब्यूटीफुल मीन्स सुंदरता. ये सब हूँ दिस इज द गॉड गिफ्टेड थिंग्स. इट मीन्स गिवन बाय गॉड्स, गिवन बाय नेचुरल्स, गिवन बाय नेचर्स. All creatures great and small. Creatures means what? The animals and birds, all the creatures which is in our surroundings, in daily life, in day-to-day lives, we have to see all these creatures. That is possible by the gods. They are only living only by the gods. ये सबको भगवान बने. All things wise and wonderful. All things means wise. Today the peoples gathering here, I mean समस्त बसिछु. Different peoples have different students have different minds, different their attitudes, different their knowledge. All are not equally wise, not all are not equally intelligent. It's depend upon by the our knowledge. It's possible by the gods. Wonderful means आश्चर्य. ये दुनिया रे जति सब जिनिस घटुछि, that is possible by the gods. A smaller incident to larger incidents, that is possible by the gods. Lord God made them all. It is only possible by the gods, the heavenly powers and Almighty, who made possible all the things. Now I have to ask some questions after this. Okay, are you able to give the feedback on my stanza? Okay, to ask some question, be ready. Who has made all the things in this world? So okay, we proceed. Next stanza. Each little flowers that opens each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. Each little flower means God has given the flowers bright. It means after this flower blossoms. ফুল তারপরে কোন ফুটি উঠে and it attracts to the peoples in their surroundings. ये सब लोगों को मोहित करेंगे. It is only possible by the gods and nothing else. It will be possible by the gods and nature. Each little bird that sings, God has given tiny little wings to the each little birds to sing. भगवान कौन करछन्ती टेनी टाइनी मतलब टाइनी मीन्स कोन छोट छोट जिंस कोन जोटा टाइनी पास इट मीन्स स्मॉल वेरी स्मॉल कोन विंग माने पर गुडी को देछन्ती काहा को पक्षी मान को कोन हेल्प करती हेल्प्स टू फ्लाई द बर्ड्स फ्रीली इन द स्काई आकाश रे उड़ीबार को सहायता करूछ इन द apart from this it also helps to the birds to sing freely and also with the people enjoy the beautiful songs by hearing from the birds. It is only possible by the gods, the heavenly powers, the almighty powers. Okay, and next he made their glowing colors. God, the heavenly powers, almighty given bright colors to the flowers for blooming. It is possible in the time of sunrise and in the morning times the flowers looks like very beautiful and wonderful. It attracts obviously to the peoples in their surroundings. Okay, have to stop our journey of study today. Thank you all of the students.